When you sleep, your body rests, but your brain begins a journey into the unknown. Here, in the darkness, a complex world awakens, where networks of neurons fire and magic unfolds. In the first few minutes, your body begins to shut down, forming a protective cocoon. But inside your brain, a silent transformation begins. The pineal gland releases melatonin, signaling that it's time to sleep, your body's natural sleep hormone. As your heart rate decelerates and body temperature drops, the conditions are set for a remarkable journey into the subconscious. This transition marks the closing of one chapter and the opening of another, where the brain gears up for a complex orchestral performance through sleep's various stages. You cycle through multiple stages, each serving a distinct purpose. Initially, you drift into light sleep, a state where your brain engages in basic monitoring, filtering out external noise while your body begins to relax. Next, you enter deep sleep, or slow-wave sleep, where somatic repair occurs. This is when autophagy, a cellular repair mechanism, activates to remove damaged cells. Hormones like growth hormone surge, facilitating tissue growth and muscle repair. Finally, you arrive at REM sleep, where brain activity surges dramatically, resembling the awake state. It's during REM that vivid dreams occur, merging creativity and emotional processing in a unique and important nightly ritual. Dreams aren't random. They are essential for emotional and cognitive well-being. Scientific research suggests that throughout the REM phase, the brain engages in a complex interplay between creativity and memory consolidation. During this time, the amygdala, responsible for emotion, is most active, while the prefrontal cortex, responsible for rational thought, remains subdued. This creates a fertile ground for emotional exploration, allowing complex and sometimes bizarre narratives to unfold. Through these dream sequences, the brain processes daily experiences, especially those laden with emotion, allowing for problem-solving and even rehearsal of survival strategies, honing skills, and emotional regulation. Merge that with the insights gained from studying the frequency patterns of dreams, which oscillate between delta and theta waves, and one recognizes that each dream is not merely an artifact of sleep, but a critical aspect of cognitive function. During sleep, the brain embarks on an essential maintenance cycle that is as crucial as the sleep itself. This intricate process, known as the glymphatic clearance system, becomes highly active, systematically removing neurotoxic waste products accumulated throughout the day. Studies published in reputable journals indicate that during deep sleep, the brain's interstitial space can expand by 60%, facilitating the removal of metabolic waste, such as beta amyloid and tau proteins, implicated in neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. This detoxification process not only enhances mental clarity, but is fundamental in preserving cognitive functions. So when you sleep soundly, remember, it's not just about resting, it's vital for your brain's health and your overall cognitive resilience. Sleep isn't just a passive state of rest. It's a multifaceted process that embraces repair, reflection, and rebirth. As you close your eyes tonight, remember, while your body enters a state of rest, your brain initiates an extraordinary voyage through the labyrinth of your thoughts. Embrace this nightly adventure, understanding that with each sleep cycle, there lies an opportunity for renewal and regeneration. So savor your sleep, cultivate your dreams, and awaken with a sense of vigor, ready to take on whatever lies ahead.